This 2015 Jayco Jay Flight 36 BHDS2 BDRM double slide, front bunks dinette is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Jayco is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features two slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 8, skylight, air conditioning, slideout, TV, external shower, auxiliary battery, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Jayco Jay Flight 36 BHDS2 BDRM double slide, front bunks dinette is 8,271 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.